What are you on? We got a new cow on the farm.
At the feedlot, we bought 41 feeder cows the other day, like yesterday, literally. So they're brand new to the farm, haven't met our rambunctious foursome. So we went down there, introduced ourselves, showed the kids the feeding schedule and how that operates. Super fun.
Oh yeah, it was a really cute day.
Got Hannah a little dirty.
You did. I got a little involved.
Yeah,
my hat flew off. It is so windy out here, as you guys can see.
Yeah.
We are blowing away, but it's at least not like absolutely freezing.
Right.
So it was a fun day though.
Yeah, absolutely was. So before we get blown away by this storm coming, come watch us. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Hey, okay, so we just filled all these buckets up. As you saw in here, the feed is in here, and then the conveyor belt, we put all the buckets here, and we fill them up, and rather than carry them over one at a time, two at a time, I got the skid loader over here with all the buckets on a pallet, and me and Noah are gonna try to balance it carefully around to the barnyard over here to feed them. So, it just makes it a lot simpler. So come check this part out. Hold on, you hang. Oh, look at Titus. He's right up there. Yeah, you look so handsome, buddy.
It's Titus. What are you on? Cool. Again, Titus. Oh, get on in. We got a new cow on the farm.
Put your head down like your cow.
Come here, Roman. Not your.
Just your head.
Just your head, right in the middle.
Just your head, right in the middle.
We're gonna get you. He's scared. Look. Ow!
Get in there. Then I'll squeeze it down.
Sounds like a.
All right, we're in the skid loader, me and Noah, big guy. Hey Noah, can you show everybody how to make this skid loader powerful? You use that lever. Whoa, all the way up. what do we do? Perfect. That's all you do. We don't have to. We'll leave it in there. We're gonna use it again later. All right, let's go see these cows. Come on.
Let's see the big cow.
Is there mommy ones with the babies? No, just babies.
Oh yeah, it's like a cow.
Yeah, they're kind of like teenager cows.
Is there 2 of them?
No, there's 41 of them.
41?
Yeah. Is that a lot?
Yeah, that's like 1,000.
That 41's basically 1,000.
Okay, let's unload the hay.
Unload the hay.
Let's unload the hay.
Let's do some real work. No, not horrible.
Get out there, Cowboys.
Kick that wheel off. Get me. Push. Got it. Good job. Now, next one.
Hey, but I just want to kick it off of those.
Kick it. Kick it. Good work.
Sure.
Okay,
Sure. Oh, Roman, you're trying so hard. Good job. Hard work, buddy.
Very good.
How many more?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, oh, you hear these cows mooing? Yeah, they're ready for their food. Come on. I'll hold you. I got that.
What was that, Alex?
I do that. That means I'm ready. Are you a cow? Are you a moo-moo?
I don't think he realizes he's got little ears and horns.
Oh, this way. It's like, Daddy, get to work. All right, we'll start the water hose. Oh, we're gonna turn the water hose on. Hey, Rowan, you wanna go, Grandpa, and turn the water hose on? No.
Yeah, there's cows over there too. You see those moo-moos?
I see those moo-moos. I see those moo-moos.
Ready? There, turn it on.
There's the well.
There's the well. Someone poisoned the water hole.
So that just dropped down?
Cistern water off the roof. It's also a pipeline that goes about half a mile up to the pond where that gas water
Right.
pump is.
Okay.
Hey, Titus, is the water on? We just turned it on. Is it working? What are you doing? Perfect, it's working. No, you're gonna make the pin wet.
Yeah, it's always bugging.
Yeah, well, we don't want it. Oh,
Oh.
Titus, look, did you see all these cows ready for their food? They're just looking at you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cowboy work time. Roman, you got ready to wrangle these cows up? Got your lasso? Sit, I'm on it. Time to feed the cows. Here, Roman, get far. Give it, buddy.
Just on the blade. Okay.
Oh, cut his fingers.
Like that. I know. Yes, I can use it as a screwdriver as well.
Good point.
Yes. What we gonna know?
Yep, do that. Good job, Noah. All right, you pick the furthest profit. Keep going, buddy. The next one. Up here. It's windy, isn't it? Good job. Come on, Noah. Come, you gotta put it the furthest trough. Next one. Good job. Good job. Nice.
Fill it up. Show us how you do it. Good job. What's this for? Is that for you to swim in? No.
This, you gotta, it's all tight, you gotta loosen it up. grab that one and shake it. Yeah. You gotta destroy it. It's too tight. And then they'll take the whole flake and just you're standing on the wrong side. Come on this side. We got like a wind tunnel going on in here.
Yeah.
The stuff that makes the salad taste good. Oh, let's spread that one out too.
You practicing?
What's he doing, rodeo?
See how it's done.
Yep, we're staying on the floor here.
Yeah. Okay. I was like, I'm really standing in a good place. There you go. Oh my, what is with you laying in the corn, Noah?
Hold on, guys! Hold on, man! Alright, now this other half, wait, we got hold on to it, ready? Good job! You said dump it in the middle. We treat our cows better than that, don't we? That's right.
You want to do one?
This is really hard.
Tuck, Ty, there you go, Ty's gonna help you. Oh yeah, now I'm standing in the tunnel. I'm gonna have to show your mother this, what I've made you into. Roman, get out of the way!
Okay.
That's good. Yep.
Here's how. This one?
Yep, that one. I'm positive, yep. Shut up! You feel strong?
Yeah.
Hi, Mommy, how you doing? You got a little corn dust in your eye? That's fine, that was good.
It's a square knot. Your daddy never learned how to tie a square
I
knot.
got it 50%.
Yeah, which means 50 times to pedal that out.
You gotta teach them while they're young and they'll never forget.
Smart. Now the
Oh, tired?
other end of the
Other end tight. We got one chain and then we got one a little bit higher. I'll get them. The other end tight.
Hi, baby cows. You're cute.
The one with ear tags.
Oh, really? Look at all the babies. They're so hungry. Is this about to be a stampede? Yep. Stampede! Are you going to shout it?
Are you gonna stand up high? Stay up there?
Stampede!
Come on, man. Right in the water.
Be very careful. You're very close to that water. Let's go around the water. Watch your head, though. That's a sharp metal thing. Come right here. There you go. You ready for the stampede? Are you coming in or are you going to stay right there?
I'm going to stay right here.
Well, Alec, their boogers have corn dust stuck to the boogers.
Yeah.
So, that's cute. They're so cute. They are so cute. You got a brown one. So we just went through a feeding process for the new feeder calves on the farm, but I'm sure Alec and the boys, they will run you through the whole process of it all. But I just wanted to jump on and say that that was so cute. And if anyone else is like me, I think baby calves are like the cutest thing ever. So cute. Are you supposed to do that? Okay. What? Don't trip me. Where are you going with that?
Yep, you're going.
You gotta squeeze through. Oh, there's a cat? Oh, awesome. He has 1,000 water. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now that all these calves now moved in here, they're eating, and what we're gonna do is everything all over again and prep this side of the pen, all the troughs with the salads and fill the waters up.
The what?
Huh?
The salads?
Yeah, the cow salads. And then we're gonna move them all over here tonight, open the outdoor gates and let all the mamas in from pasture in here so they can get their feed. So that's what's going on here. Just wondering why we're doing it. What are you doing? Were you trying to play a joke on Titus? You teaser?
Noah, what are you
How
doing?
strong you are. That's a pretty thick hose.
Our water stopped.
Ah, there he goes, little baby.
I need your closet. What? Closet. I'm going to do something with it. Really closet. Wait, can I get... Oh, you can do that. If someone comes already, call the black hole. Wait.
No, we gotta do all three of them.
Someone needs water.
Yeah, we gotta do all three of them.
Hold it up there, hold it up there, hold it up there. Gee whiz, why are you weak?
Oh, there you go.
Get the hay bale, babe.
Here, there you go. Hold on to that hay bale.
I'm not about it right now.
Look how you do it, Ava. Oh, like in his mind, what's he doing?
Yeah.
Good job, Rowan. Good job. That needs to be over there.
Yeah.
All right, let's head back there.
You want to go with your house?
No, I'm gonna do more. I gotta take another bag.
No? You want to cut one?
Yeah.
Tyler's supposed to help cut too.
Put him in a trough for the cows to eat. Hey, babe.
Hi.
How you doing?
Cute. Cute watching my little
Oh.
cow.
Good job, buddy. Is it working? Is it working right?
I use my knife like a screwdriver, so that's why it should actually be a little bit sharper than that. Wowzers. Huh.
Huh.
New realization.
New realization. Huh. Incredible. We're already looking over here. Easy, right?
So which cows are getting this?
Huh?
Which cows get this?
The same ones. That's
This is
just
for later?
Prepping their dinner. So that way tonight comes, it's fast and easy.
I see.
Whoa. Okay, so yeah, we've had questions for exactly what are feeder calves, and you buy them young, around 400 or 500 pounds is where we're typically at, maybe 600 pounds, and then you grow them up to about 1,000 plus, and then you sell them off in the fall. And then from there, we're not going to talk about what happens next. This is a family video. They go to a new area, a new farm. But yeah, so these guys will only be here from springtime to late fall kind of time frame, and that's why they get more of a fattening, more of a growth type of diet rather than just being out in the pasture, because that's not as nutritious, so they grow slower. So these guys will get out in the pasture, but it's important for us to feed them this special feed that we have so they get bulky faster, because we have a timeline to get them in and get them out. So that would be why they're getting 2 feeds a day in the barn rather than us letting them out in the pasture. So that's kind of the timeline of what we're doing.
And we just got the feeder calves, but we also had some.
Yeah, I said that earlier. 41 is our total. So we just bought, however the math would work to 41. We just bought 26, and then the other amount of those would be from our mama cows that are out in the pasture, and they stay here year round. So that helps with cost.
Cool.
Education. He was really wanting to do.
Oh, we're gonna bust these out now? Okay. These are like Titus's favorite toys right now. Do you want to tell everybody where you got them at?
Graceful Fly.
The Graceful Fly. What kind of animals are these?
These are North America animals.
North America animals. Would these be maybe your favorite type, or do you have a different type of animal that you like better?
These are my favorite.
This is some hard work here. What is it, the horns that get stuck? There you go.
The animal horns. And
We're going by the pond? Is that gonna be the pond? Okay. Oh, don't forget one.
You need to be in the grass?
He's taking them to the pond.
Oh.
Yeah. But you don't want to get yourself too muddy though, so you can't really sit over here. You'll have to squat. Okay? Yeah. Or that. I guess that works too.
That's awesome.
It's got little mountains of nutritious and delicious.
Yeah, right there. Big Park, Lost World, number 2.
That's a big pile.
That's a big pile of shit. Yeah.
Because Bruce could too.
They definitely do that. Oh, your otter fell over. Took a nap by the riverside.
I love that it has a fish and that the beaver has sticks.
And the otter looks very proud of his fish too.
Yeah.
Look at Elton.
Yeah, so like the whole barnyard, it's like one mud puddle. And that's also, ironically,
Hey Daddy, look, I put the bear there.
Oh, he's on his own island. That's called Bear Island. Bison. Drink up.
So it's time to move the animals around. So the beaver, where's he going?
The moose.
The moose is
All these
moving.
islands here will swim in water.
Yeah.
Water.
Oh, that's a cute spot for him.
We definitely didn't have that easy before.
Beaver, he's in beaver water now.
So I'm gonna put him way up on other side of the world.
Is he hunting? Is he looking at the beaver, maybe? I think a wolf would totally eat that beaver. Beaver, you better look out. So is this just like a game of moving them around? Yeah.
I just like to move them around.
Yeah, Titus likes to just kind of set up his toys. He's really big about that. Oh, cool. Look at these guys. They're hanging out with fresh poop. Oh God, that looks horrible. I just realized this setup, Titus. You've got your goat. Ah! My hat! Okay, I was just talking to you about something. What did you set up right here? This looks just awful. This mountain lion is about to get that goat, isn't it?
Mountain goats and mountain lions really like to
They like to eat what?
eat some.
They like to eat poo. No! That's just violent. Okay. Okay.
Put this guy here,
Okay.
like the bear and the river.
Wow.
Maybe I put him somewhere over here in the water because he has six.
Okay.
Bears can't go in the water. We are on this side.
He's on that island. So he's looking and hunting maybe that raccoon. You better look out, raccoon. Or he's looking right over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. You are in danger, sir. But Titus says that the cat won't cross all. I don't know. If he's hungry enough, he might. You think he can jump? He could jump islands, right? Gosh. You just put an otter over there? Titus, that mountain lion can get the otter. He's close. He's really close.
Well, then all the animals there. Now I'm going to play with
Okay.
I actually like.
I like how
the
these
white
they like to swim a lot and they're ginormous. Someone's got poop on his antlers. All right, so I hope everybody had an awesome time watching that video. We are driving down the back lane, Titus and I, with our heads out the sunroof. Cowboy style. But anyways, we got so much more to come. Like I said, it's springtime. We're already talking about buying certain baby animals, farm animals. So we got a plan in place here. And actually, we're coming up on these cows. Oh, right out there, there's the feedlots where we were. But hope you're enjoying the feeder calves. We had an awesome video with our little cowboys and all their silliness. So, oh geez, got it. We got far in the car. Where are these cows? I can't see them in the video. There they are. There are those cows.
You got a visitor in your video.
Rummy! He said, bye, Moo. can pick him up so you can see. There you go. You guys can see what I'm looking at here. There we go. Hey, cows, bye, we're leaving. Done bothering everybody for the day. See ya. Hey, boys. Bye, Moo Moos. We'll bother you next time. Hey, Hannah. She's down there somewhere. Alright, everybody. Subscribe to our channel. We love you all. We love making these videos. Bye-bye.